Very soon, BMW will launch an updated BMW 7 Series premium sedan on the market. The network has repeatedly appeared spy photos of the future novelty. However, the car body on them was always covered with protective camouflage. Focusing on these images, various designers create renderings, depicting on them what the BMW 7 Series 2023 will look like. Recently, the next render images of the BMW 7 Series 2023 were published. Judging by them, the manufacturer will radically change the appearance of its flagship model. A double separate group of lights will be installed in the front of the car. The upper light strip represents daytime running lights, while the main elements will be placed in the central part. The radiator grille of the German model will retain its classic outlines, but its overall dimensions will increase. The interior of the vehicle will receive no less changes. Here the developer can install two liquid crystal displays. One of them will play the role of a digital device, and the second will be responsible for managing the multimedia complex. A similar layout can be seen on the new BMW X Electric Cross. Naturally, the car will receive the most modern equipment. So, already in the basic modification, the sedan will be equipped with a voice assistant. In addition, in the launch version, the 7 will receive an air suspension. And at the request of the customer, BMW engineers will be able to implement a number of useful functionality. For example, to equip a car with an automatic door opening/closing system. The rear seats of the BMW 7 Series 2023 will be supplemented with heating, ventilation and massage. In addition, the manufacturer for the first time implements in its production model the function of automatic driving on the highway. This technology was supposed to debut in the Civics, but it was decided to leave it for the flagship sedan. As for the technical characteristics of the updated German model, it will be based on classic gasoline and diesel engines, as well as two hybrid installations. The latter will be based on 4 and 6-cylinder internal combustion engines. The flagship modification will be equipped with a V-engine. An 8-speed automatic transmission will be provided as a transmission. Also, the car will receive 4-wheel drive variations. The official presentation of the updated German should take place next spring. Live sales of the sedan will begin no earlier than the beginning of next year. Simultaneously with the classic BMW 7 Series 2023, an electric version of the sedan should debut on the market. It will be called I. This variation of the model will be equipped with several electric motors, which will ensure that it has a 4-wheel drive system. The total output of the electrical installation will be 480 horsepower. In addition, a little later, the German brand will launch a charged M version of the car. Under the hood of this modification will be located 598 horsepower engine. In the process of preparing an updated version of the model, the manufacturer does not forget about the current 7. A little earlier, the sedan received a new version of G-Power. In this configuration, the German flagship has acquired a more sporty appearance due to the installation of other bumpers and 21-inch forged wheels. But the main feature of this modification is a very powerful power unit. The car is equipped with a 4-liter biturbed 8, which develops 670 horsepower and 900 Newton of torque. Up to 100 km per hour, a sedan with such a unit accelerates in 4 seconds exactly. If you liked the video, you can always support me with a subscription or a like. Thank you and see you tomorrow.